gimo unu ng'eyo kaka jothieth.
Ingeni ndalo moko mane 2023 kane SHA biro kaka union wadhi e court mondo wa stop SHA. Nimar ne waneno ni NHIF me golo services mabecho moloyo SHA that time. Achiel kuom gik mano wawacho ne gin wach mar linda mama. Achiel mano wacho kuom gin en wach mar comprehensive cover mar edu afya. Achiel kuom gin en civil servant cover mar jotich mag sirkal. So no wadhi maka no look at a case ma court of appeal emane odhi stop odhi kelo stay on those judgment. To bang' kanyo kana wacho kuwuoyo gi sirkal iyudo ka wach mar civil servant comprehensive cover jan waduoki. Masa ni jotich mag sirkal te nigi benefit machal gi mane gin go e NHIF cover cha. Wach mar linda mama iyudo ka nitie aspect mane nitie linda mama ma amount mane bedo rebated linda mama ne actually less. Kinyo what is now in SHA. Iyudo ka SHA nigi higher package for the same linda mama to the point that kata mana nyathi konyuol to nego beni kitere niku ICU. Linda mama SHA nok shul no NHIF nok shul. Linda Jamii linda mama linda Jamii sane chulo karibu 28 uduchingu. You say kita nyathi niku ma kata bedo private hospital or public hospital to inyuol lega otuo ile SHA chulo ni. Kuro in essence package mantiere sani
Linda Jamii
is actually better. Yes. Nimar primary level 2, 3 and 4. Elo ka maternity clinics kata kaka mantiere Nakuru level 2, 3 actually maternity in most places. So in Malagina says and you can do they can offer the services maternity both private and public. Chedoka Magi is based like a primary health care. Yedoka okichaji. So in essential this Linda Jamii is superior to what was there in Linda Mama.
Okay.
The only thing that is now there is that you have to register. Even in Linda Mama, you just need to have the idea at the point. But here you have to register. And then kichiki register me to shift to give more cover. So but there's politics. The politics that is there, Mawuks and Ematio Komagir, any job private sector, kaka Rufa to give private hospitals, hospital offer services. But then there's a delay in paying them these services. One, there's also those hospitals Manobedo flagged to have had some accusation on fraud. So with this, there's a reaction. So with this reaction, there's a lot of politics that now will make somebody think this is better than this other one. To some go continue, kaji wijuko, kaji ni en shani okti. Beside register no podi. Beside the hospital podi. But if you go to the hospital, public hospital, private hospitals, I can tell you it pays.
Okay.
Yeah.